Here's how to check if your TV port is eARC or ARC. So the first thing that you're going to do is go behind your television and you will see their different ports. As you can see, when you see the HDMI out TV ERC, that means that your port under HDMI is actually ARC. But there are some TV who has the same port. So as you can see, this is an example, TV eARC and ARC, which means that the HDMI port is actually one. And the other example is a television that only has ARC. So this is an example. As you can see, there is a label says that HDM1 ARC. Now let's go ahead and see the difference between them. So for the HDMI to ARC and eARC combination is actually used for soundbars, while HDMI 1 is actually used for television and HDMI 3 ARC only is actually used for more detailed movies.